We're just going to go out there now, and we'll take you into what we call our head of stand office, which would help depart the aircraft. Okay. Okay, obviously here, this is where you would see, this is the stands that we've got. You would have come across your walkway, and you would actually come across out into an aircraft. Tonight we don't have an aircraft parked there, but this is the actual stand. And this is one of the new technology pieces, what we call a head of stand unit. And this is so that our ground staff can understand what's going on with the operation, and they have the ability to check all the flight details and do all their last minutes. It's used by our cargo, our engineering, and it's also used by our ground staff that would handle the aircraft on the ground. So if we come in here, so they can actually see the departures, and as you can see here, this is a live feed of our aircraft, which is giving the registration of the aircraft, the type of aircraft it is, where it's departing off to, its stand position, and its ETD, so estimated time for departure, etc. And any comments, whether it's got coaching taken out to it or needs a tow, or any remarks on it. And then this gives us the ability for any of our staff to do any last minutes. So for example, if an aircraft needs a service of some sort, our engineering staff can come out here, they can pull off the colour documentation for any technical pieces that they need, and they can do it. This is actually very unique for airports. It's not in any of the other airports. This is giving the information at the fingertips for our staff on the ground. So previously they were working blind and having to work from radio comms and everything. Now we're giving them all the information at their fingertips, right next door to where the aircraft would depart from. We're actually out on an operational runway. Okay, one of the unique things about what we've done at Terminal 5, what we've got is part of the baggage system. We have a head of stand unit, again linked into the baggage platform, so we can bring rush bags directly to the aircraft door. So we can bring them from the baggage system directly into here. You can actually see that we've got any bags on the next aircraft, and then we can load them straight into the aircraft right here. And that's again very unique. Most baggage systems, they have to tow out on dollies all their bags out. Now, a majority of bags will come out that way normally, but obviously if you've got a passenger that's running very late, we can get the bag through the system in about 15-16 minutes and straight onto the aircraft. This is where our baggage guys would actually be able to check out what's happening with the baggage, and we'd be able to reflight bags onto certain flights. Again, as I said, the building is all on barcodes, so they have automatic bag scanners that they can take over to the laterals over there. And these scanners, as you can see, they take a barcode and they'll be able to read your barcode, and that would say whether the bag is good to go on that flight or not good to go on that flight, i.e. it needs a security check, or it's on the wrong flight to put it into another bag, or needs to go to transfers or something along those lines.